Hello everyone, you're welcome to Tolulicious Kitchen. Today I'm sharing the best vitamin-rich, refreshing, quick and easy fruit salad dessert. You are going to love this. This dessert is so versatile, perfect for any time of the day. It is delicious for breakfast, super refreshing for lunch, and light enough to enjoy for dinner. The preparation is so simple and tastes absolutely delicious. Lovelies, everyone asked for more. Let me show you how I prepared this masterpiece. Don't let me talk much, but please don't forget to subscribe if today is your first time on this channel. My returning subscribers, thank you so much for being there. Thank you so much for liking my recipes. Let's get it started. The fruit I'll be using for this recipe has to be very well cleaned. Into the water I'll be using, I'm going to pour in some baking powder. Feel free to use vinegar if that is what you want to use. You can use any of the two. All we need to do is to add a bit of it into that clean water there. Like I've said, I'll be using baking powder for this. Where there's baking powder and vinegar are not available, feel free to add some salt into the water. Now I placed my sieve into the water and I'm going to be dropping the fruit into it. It's going to help to clean it, to take away any bacteria that might be on the fruits. You all know we're not going to cook this before eating it. That is why it is very important to wash them well. The ingredients that I'm going to add do not need to be washed this way, so I'm going to allow these ones to sit well in this water for about 3 to 5 minutes. After that, I'm going to rinse it very well. Now let's get it started. I've diced the apples. Those are the apples I've just washed. I've diced them into these chunky sizes, and I'm going to add the grapes. You can see it. I removed it from the stem, and this is what we have here. And I'm also going to add the strawberries. I also cut it into small pieces just like this. And I'm going to add this banana into it. I'm going to peel it and cut it to those sizes. You can slice it or to smaller sizes. It doesn't really matter. So I'm going to add muesli. This muesli contains raisins and different dried fruits in it. Feel free to use granola. Granola goes well with it as well. This muesli is a store-bought, okay? You can get them at your supermarket as well. Granola goes well with it, like I've said. I added it into this, and it's now time to add yogurt. I'm using very low-fat yogurt. This is Maga yogurt. It is very fine. This very one is just 1.5% fat, so it's very low in fat, but very good. So I'm going to have the second one. I use 1,500 ml of it. That's just 3 pack because each contains 500 ml. I used 3. It is very good to be generous with this because you are going to love how it will turn out to be. It's now time to give it a good mix together. Please, if you have watched up to this stage and you haven't subscribed, kindly do so. Please don't forget to turn on your notifications as well so that you'll be notified each time I drop another recipe. Thank you. So after giving it a good mix, look at what we have. You can eat it like this, but if you also like, you can add some honey into it or sugar substitute. If you're not on a diet, feel free to add a bit of sugar, normal sugar into it, or you just add a bit of lemon into it as well. But as for me, the honey alone was enough. I added just a tablespoonful of honey into it, and it was super. Tastes super delicious. It is also filling, I'm telling you. So make sure you give this a try, and I know you are going to love it. Everyone asked for more, and everyone wanted to have the recipe, and that's the reason why I decided to make this recipe, and I thought I should share it with everyone as well. Thank you so much for watching. Till I come your way next time. Bye-bye.